Welcome. In this video I will show you how to boot your ACER Chromebook 315 from USB. First of all, let's enter recovery mode by holding down escape button and refresh button at the same time, and in the meantime short press the power button to turn on your computer. Right now you can see the recovery menu in front of you. Prepare a USB flash drive with recovery media on it, or prepare the SD card with recovery media on it and insert it into the SD card slot. And then once you enter the recovery media, once you insert it into your computer, your device will recognize the tool and will proceed to verify your recovery media. And if you want to complete the recovery process, then of course just wait. If you want to cancel it, you can do this right now by holding down power button for 8 seconds until your screen goes black. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.